Then the second one is
Then 3 kinds of industries.
Ma'am,
There
there are
are-
3 kinds of industries.
very good. There are 3 kinds of industries in India.
And 3 kinds of industries.
Dash industries are
Then
often
cottage industry.
very good. Are often small family-owned businesses. Which kind of industries? They are cottage industries.
And cottage. And cotton industries.
Very good. Then we have children. What time does your break start? At 10 o'clock.
10:40 to
And
11.
10:40.
10:40 to 11.
Okay, beta. Then next we have dash dash are the end.
And plastic goods and hosiery.
What?
Then plastic goods and hosiery.
Okay.
Toys.
So here, listen, let me finish off with the sentence first. Dash dash are the end products manufactured in a small scale factory. Now, small scale factory, so many things are manufactured. So you can name any 2 that are the end products. So what end products will you choose to name?
Ma'am, toys and plastic goods.
Yes, it can be toys, it can be plastic goods, it can be agricultural tools, hosiery, anything. Okay? Then next,
Ma'am, I have done all true false.
very nice. All large scale industries need a lot of capital.
Ma'am, true.
True. Sure, true.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Raw materials are needed to make finished products.
And true.
Yes, ma'am. True.
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 Yes, without raw materials, we can't make anything.
And we can't make anything.
Yes. Industrial development helps in the growth of the economy.
Ma'am, true.
True.
Ma'am, true.
True.
Very good.
True.
It helps in the development of the growth of economy. Candles are made in a small scale industry.
Ma'am, true.
True.
I think it is false. It is made in
Ma'am, it
cottage
is making
industry.
cottage industry false.
Yes. Candles are made in cottage industries.
And it is false.
So it goes false. Then automobile parts are manufactured in small scale industries.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
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 They are
It is
manufactured in
made in large scale industry.
Large scale industry.
large scale industries. Very good. Then answer these questions in brief. Now tell me, you're going to answer them? You're going to take out your copies now? Yes? Write down today's date. Have you done any written work of this chapter in the copy till now?
Oh, no, ma'am.
So how do you start? How does Kamini ma'am make you do? She first writes the difficult words from a chapter.
No, ma'am.
First you write all the question answer and then you take the dictation.
Ma'am, but
Dictation.
sometimes it takes a first dictation.
Dictation means all difficult words from the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with the dictation words. Sorry, the difficult words.
Yeah.
What is the number of the chapter? Chapter 15.
No, ma'am, 16. Ma'am, 16.
16.
Then 16 industries.
Chapter 16, Industries, and the heading is Difficult Words. Can you see the screen clearly, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What is the first word? Now, the first word, let's just write.
Ma'am, in offline classes, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to also write difficult words.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
The first word goes industrialization.
Ma'am, but in the previous class, you gave dictation words by another method.
By dictating them or by sharing a screen?
Ma'am, you in the previous class you dictate. the
I
words.
dictated. So you want me to dictate? You don't want me to write it? Tell me.
It's right only.
Ma'am, I write it.
Manpower.
Industry.
Can you see the screen? After 18th word, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, ma'am.
No,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I cannot see.
Till 18th it is fine, na children?
Yes, ma'am.
19th word, I'll write from here.
And there are how many words in total?
But I'm just saying. Governmental organizations is one word only. Okay, don't get confused.
Now it's just too long.
Yes, it's too long. That is why I just told you beforehand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell how to pronounce the 14th word?
14th, pharmaceuticals.
Okay, ma'am.
There are 25 words in all, children.
Okay, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. So today we've done all the exercises and difficult words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, ma'am, you will only teach SST in online.
No, beta, no, I will not teach. Kamini ma'am will teach. Everyone has done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm on 19th one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Very good. All of you have done?
No, ma'am.
This is class 5th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Everyone has done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll stop the screen share. Then let's come to question answers.
And now you can stop sharing.
Can I remove the screen?
Yes, ma'am. This one you can remove.
Okay, now what you're going to do, just write down. Now, after keywords, what do? You do question answers only in the copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
exercise C, answer these question in brief. Write down the heading.
Can you share it for 1 more minute?
1 more minute. Beta, which word you want to see? Please tell me.
Ma'am, 23 and 25.
Fill in the blank.
Answer of
Ma'am,
which one?
23.
Ma'am, fourth one of the fill in the blank.
Wait, I'll tell you. Oh, what is this? Just a minute, children, just a minute. Beta, you tell me which word you want to know.
Ma'am, after 20 seconds.
What is the 23rd word?
Ma'am, I have
children?
taken screenshots. May I share that?
What is the 23rd word? Just tell it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, employment.
Employment. EMPLOYMENT. Employment. Then what is the 24th word?
Established.
Established. Shall I tell the spelling?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell me the fourth fill in the blank answer?
Fourth, fill in the blank.
Ma'am, toys
The
and
dash
plastic
and dash are end products of the products manufactured in a small scale industry. So which are the goods that are produced in a small scale industry? You can name any two goods like hosiery. Hosiery can be one answer. Yes. And toys can be other answer. Hosiery and toys are the finished products. Yes, beta. After established. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, written the first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the heading, answer the following in brief, and write down the first question.
Ma'am, written.
Name the different kinds of industries found in India. The different kinds of industries found in India are dash, dash, and dash. You want me to name or you will tell the name yourself?
Ma'am,
We will tell. Ma'am, we will tell.
cottage industries.
Very good.
So, ma'am, can we write it in a note?
Yes, you have to write in your notebook, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone has done question number 1.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written second question also.
Very good. Done?
Yes, first question is done.
What is the next question?
I have done second answer.
What is small scale
Ma'am, what
industry?
small scale industry?
What is a small scale industry? So how will you say a small scale industry is an industry that involves a small group of people and it is run on a small budget. Yes?
No, but I write different.
What have you written?
I have written industries used in small factories to produce finished goods are called small scale industries.
Okay, this is correct, beta, but along with that, just write down it requires a small group of people, a small investment.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
repeat
please,
the
ma'am, please
answer
tell
again.
the answer. Ma'am, please tell the answer again.
Listen to me, listen to me. Just try to listen to me carefully first. Then you can write the answer in your own words also. A small scale industry is an industry that requires a small group of people, a small budget, or you can write a limited budget. It does not require a very big manpower, isn't it? It requires a small group of people. It requires a normal budget, a limited budget. Then put a full stop. Take help from your book also. Open your books to page number 108,
Ma'am, open 108.
108 page. And then you can also write, it uses simple machines to produce goods.
Ma'am, is this answer correct? Small scale industries are industries which involves a small group of people and run on limited budgets.
And my third
Yes.
answer is correct. Ma'am. I have written they employ a large number of skilled and well-trained workers.
No, beta, they don't employ a large number. They employ a small number of people. Like a lesser number of
I am
people.
asking question number 3.
Beta, wait, let us come. Don't confuse other students. See, I got confused. Even students are going to get confused.
Okay.
Okay, let everybody do this one first.
Ma'am, we have to write this also. They use simple machines to produce the goods.
Yes, yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat answer 3?
What, beta?
Ma'am, can you repeat answer 3?
Answer 3, I have not spoken only. And there is no time left for answer 3 now. Okay, we are just going to do till answer 2.
Ma'am, I have done answer 2.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, tomorrow you only take class.
Tomorrow, Kamini ma'am will take.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer number 2 one more time?
Small scale
may I tell
industries. Okay, you tell. You tell. Who will tell answer 2?
Ma'am, a small scale industries are industries which involve a small group of people and run on limited budgets. They use simple machines to produce the
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, till here we have to write they use simple machines to produce the goods.
Yes, beta. They use simple machines to produce goods, and then you can give example. This, and this are the examples of small scale industries. Okay, any three examples?